remember like your first day?
Yeah, I remember my
Get into
first day. Cool. Now, on my first day, yeah, like I said, I'm an observant person, you get me? So I didn't really know what I was walking into, so I wanted to kind of see what's going on around me. Yeah. I was at 18.
Oh, you're 18.
I was at 18 still. I just turned 18 still. I just landed fresh off the bus and that type shit, and you get a little package and these little things, and you get a little phone pin and these little things, but I didn't really know too much about it, you get me? So I remember one of my cellmates, he used man's pin credit, bro. Like, just use man's pin credit as that, and you only have a certain amount on. You would know, you get me? You only have a certain amount because it's like a temporary pin. You're not really locked into the system yet. He's used it. Man's had to do what you gotta do, kind of thing. Just my man ended up putting in an application to go to the VP wing, which is kind of mad. Like, that's all like.
For the people that don't know what that is, what is the VP wing?
It's like a vulnerable prisoners wing, but that's where mainly like rapists and paedophiles and that used to be going on, and that. It's mad slow.
That's not P. That's not P.